Triggs, what's happening?
Maddie, we seem to be on board some kind of a train.
And not just any old train. It's my magical disco train.
Magical disco train?
All aboard! Everybody thinks I'm just a frumpy, grumpy gran who's only ever interested in tea. But come and take a spin on board my magic disco train, and pretty soon I think you will agree. I am a super funky granny and I drive a disco train. There's more to me than biscuits, tea and chat. I love to keep it wild, adventure is my middle name.
And we have to say we weren't expecting that. Triggs, this is so cool!
I know, Maddie. I wonder what else Granny gets up to.
Are we all ready for takeoff?
Takeoff?
I didn't mention that it was a flying train, did I?
A flying train?
Sometimes when I realize the biscuits are all gone and there's nothing in the house to dip in tea, I take a spin across the sky to visit Mr. Moon and buy a tasty box or 2 or 3.
Hello, I'm Mr. Moon. Any interest in a spoon or a candle or this tub of mayonnaise? I sell woolly socks and cuckoo clocks and this here fancy biscuit box and myriad things to brighten up your day.
She is a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She is full of surprises, as you'll see. She loves to keep it wild, adventure is her middle name, but you really cannot beat her cup of tea.
Whoa, Triggs! I didn't know you could play the kazoo!
Now, Granny, what'll it be?
Can I have a packet of biscuits,
1 packet of biscuits,
a box of tea bags?
box of tea, no problem. Anything else?
Don't forget the sucky sweets!
Oh, thank you, Maddie. I almost forgot. And a big bag of sucky sweets, please, Mr. Moon.
There you go, Gran. A nice big bag of sucky sweets.
Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow for the paragliding, okay?
Not if I see you first, Gran.
She's a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She turns her life up all the way to 10. She loves to keep it wild, adventure is her middle name, and we'll never call her boring again.
Oh, it's no use. The postman's never gonna come.
Now, Maddie, if there's one thing Uncle George's letters have taught us, it's to be patient and stay positive.
That's true, Maddie. He certainly is a glass half full kind of fella. Oh, Mr. Postman, have you got our letter? George is just the coolest guy, he's such a wild jet setter.
Oh, Mr. Postman, any news? My little brother's such a daredevil. I really hope he writes to us soon. Spills the beans on what he's been up to.
But are we sure it's all completely true?
Of course it is.
I think
I hear the postman coming now.
I'm not answering it.
I'm not answering it either. It could be the milkman again.
Well, I'm not answering it. I can't work door handles with my paws.
I'll answer it. Good morning, Mr. Postman.
Good morning, Maddie. Just a few bills for your mum and dad today, I'm afraid. No letter from Uncle George.
Aww. That's okay. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, just one more thing. There is this rather large, oversized package.
Oh, Maddie, what's in that enormous box? It's huge.
I hope it's not more yogurt.
Shush! Listen!
Hello, hello. Anybody expecting a package?
I think I know what's in that box. Let's open it, Triggs.
How diddly do, folks?
Uncle George!
You didn't just post a letter.
You posted yourself.
Thank you, Mr. Postman.
You're very welcome, Maddie.
What's a little mud? What's a little grime? These boots were made from mud, so let's have a good time.
Let's get muddy with the body. Slosh, splash, stomp and dance around. Let's get muddy with the body. It's so much fun making that squishy sound.
We can clean up later. It will all be good as new. But right now we are on a high. And get messy is what we do.
Let's get muddy with the body. Splash, splash, stomp and dance around. Let's get muddy with the body. It's so much fun making that squishy sound.
What a laugh.
Okay. Teaspoons, hello. This is Maddie. Can you hear me?
What's that rat-a-tat-tat noise?
It sounds like teaspoons knocking together. Huh.
Teaspoons? Is that you?
Go on, Maddie. Ask them.
Teaspoons, will you all come back to the kitchen, please?
Oh, Maddie, there are loads of teaspoons marching towards us.
They're coming from every direction.
I can't believe this is happening.
This is so cool.
Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Triggs licked peanut butter off me, but left me in his doggy bed. Rat-a-tat-tat.
Dad used me like a screwdriver and forgot me in the shed.
Rat-a-tat-tat. Please put us back, we won't get lost, and that's a fact. If you put us back where we belong. Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat. I'm chilly in the fridge now. You forgot me in the bowl. Rat-a-tat-tat.
Hey, I'm out here stuck in the mud where Triggs and Maddie dug a hole.
Rat-a-tat-tat. Please put us back, we won't get lost, and that's a fact. If you put us back where we belong. Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat.
There's a teaspoon in the sofa. There's two in the wrong drawer.
Rat-a-tat-tat.
There's a teaspoon in my school bag. Oh, wow, I just want more.
Rat-a-tat-tat-tat.
I'm still sticky with medicine Mom took when she was sick.
Rat-a-tat-tat.
I disappeared under the bed when Triggs tried a magic trick.
Rat-a-tat-tat. Please put us back, we won't get lost, and that's a fact. If you put us back where we belong. Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat.
Now we know the facts, we won't forget to put you back, and you'll always be where you belong.
There are many things we can do without electricity. You know, Dado and I carved these wooden chairs by hand.
Wow, that's amazing. They're so comfy.
And do you know my favourite thing about the lights going out? Playing songs by the campfire.
Oh, Dado's guitar.
Time for a Dado song. Yay!
Just because the power's cut,
Having fun is up to you.
we don't need electricity. List some things you'd like to do.
I can do that. We can hop like frogs, play cards, sing a song, have a dance party. We don't need electricity to have fun with our family.
Oh, I know. We can go for a walk of tickle time, roast marshmallows, climb a tree.
Hop like frogs, play cards, sing a song, have a dance party. We don't need electricity to have fun with our family.
Wow! There are a lot of things we can do.
But wait, there's more.
We can tell a joke,
play board games,
sit by the fire,
share stories,
go for a walk of tickle time, roast marshmallows, climb a tree, hop on the frog, play cards, sing a song, dance party. We don't need electricity to have fun with our family.
Come on, Nana and Dado.
We can challenge all play board games, sip and fire, share stories, go for a walk, have tickle time, roast marshmallows, climb a tree, hop on the frog, play cards, sing a song, dance party. We don't need electricity to have fun with our family.
That's great.
I can't remember when I've had so much fun.
How would Sir Maddie the Knight like some awesome music?
Now that's the kind of noise I can work with, Dad. Come on, Triggs. Now we can really put on a show.
This sounds exciting.
Ladies and gentle knights, welcome to this most epic spectacle. The greatest story as yet untold. The story of Maddie the Knight. A long time ago there was a knight, Sir Maddie, who served the queen so bravely. Right by her side was her trusty dragon. Triggs was his name.
Oh, wow, that's me!
The queen sent them out to bring back happiness to the kingdom for everyone. Sir Maddie and Triggs went out to the forest, but found a noisy troll instead of fun. There was a clanging of rattle. It was a big noisy battle. Maddie faced the troll head on, but Triggs was nervous and sang this song. Maddie the Knight, Sir Maddie the Knight, no challenge can get in our way. When together we can do anything, we'll take on the troll and save the day. Soon Sir Maddie learned the troll was friendly and helped in their quest for fun. They worked together and went back to the kingdom, bringing happiness to everyone. There was dancing and singing, thanks to the joy they were bringing. Maddie hugged her new troll friend, and Triggs said,
Let's rock again.
Maddie the Knight, Sir Maddie the Knight, we found success in our mission. It's amazing what you can accomplish when you really take the time to listen.
Woohoo! Encore! Encore!
Thank you, and go